Hello Form 4 Chemistry Chapter 2, this is video number 13 and we continue with the atomic model. But now our title will be Modern Atomic Model, 现代的 Atomic Model. Okay, so how is the title like? So behind your notes, page number 7 or maybe after page number 6, you're having this table called periodic table of elements, and now you turn to your notes, page number 8. Okay, going to using one of the elements to discuss about the atom. 我会用这个表格里面的其中一个元素来研究 atom 的 structure. Okay, so periodic table of elements. 那 this is a table. 这就是我们的表格。And now from this table, I'm going to choose one of the element. 我会选一粒元素出来 ，and I want to draw the atom for you 啦。我要把它的原子呢画出来给你看。So today I choosing aluminium. 我选到了 aluminium. So highlight your notes page number 7, aluminium. Highlight 一下 aluminium. 这就是我们今天的主角啦。So aluminium atom look like what? Aluminium 的原子呢，到底看起来是怎样的呢 ？Okay, now this is a diagram I extracted from the periodic table of elements. So now your notes page number 8 应该是第8面嘅喎。Yes, page number 8第8面啊。So I start the story now. 我开始讲故事了。Okay, modern atomic model. 现代的原子的 model。Okay. So from the periodic table, as you can see, one of the elements is called aluminium. So how is the aluminium atom? Or from this table, what you can understand? Number one, Al, this is a chemical symbol for aluminium. 它就是 aluminium 的 chemical symbol, 化学的 symbol. Aluminium will be the chemical name. 它的化学的名字就叫 aluminium. Okay. Next, what is this? The symbol means solid at room temperature. Aluminium is solid at room temperature. If you not believe, 如果你不相信 I show you others example. So aluminium solid at room temperature. Okay, others like oxygen. 你有没有看到 oxygen? Gas. Or mercury liquid at room temperature. 它是液体，对不对？ So this is the meaning. Solid at room temperature. And in the table, you can see a number. 你会看到一个 number 吗？ 13. So what is the meaning of this number? 这个 number 其实是什么意思呢？ It means atomic number. 这个 number 的意思就叫 atomic number. Aluminium 的 atom 的 number 啦。But the atomic number actually equal to the proton number. 也等于 aluminium 的 proton number. Okay? And also equal to the number of electrons. Equal to the number of electrons. 闪开一下。The number of electrons. So copy first, 先抄 atomic number, proton number, and the number of electrons. Okay. Atomic number, proton number 也可以等于 number of proton 其实也是一样 number of electron. But remember, electron no number. 你不可以称为 electron number 因为 electron 没有 number 的 proton 有 number。不过 electron 没有 number 记得啊 OK, so what is the meaning of 13? 这个13是什么意思呢 We're going to draw aluminium atom 我们要画了啊 OK, so don't draw the dot 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 at the center first 不要画线明白过后才画 OK, so if you really can see the aluminium atom having a nucleus at the center. And beside the nucleus at the center, having the electron orbit, 它有很多 electron 的轨道在旁边 and their orbit actually is layer by layer called shell. 这些轨道都是一层又一层的，就叫 shell， 对不对？一层、两层、三层，明白吗 ？shell。OK, label。然后怎样 ？OK, aluminium atom having the proton number 13. Atomic number 13. What does it mean by proton number 13? That means the number of proton at the nucleus equal to 13, 就等于13. But don't copy it, 还不要抄啊！这边你听完先才抄。You pause the video 过后才抄，你先听啊。So aluminium atom having the proton number 13. That means the number of proton in the nucleus will be 13. Okay? So proton in the nucleus how many? 13. 你看1、2、3、4、5。6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13 13. What is mean by proton? 听好好 Proton actually is a subatomic particle that charge positive. proton 就是 subatomic particle that carry the charge and the charge is positive one。什么叫 subatomic particle？ 就是 atom 里面的 particle。atom actually 是 particle，atom 本身就是一种 particle。不过这种 particle 里面还有其他的 particle， 就叫 subatomic particle。So proton actually is a subatomic particle that carry the charge and the charge is positive one。And the relative mass of the proton is equal to 1。proton 比较出来的质量等于1。什么叫 relative mass？ 比较出来的质量。proton actually is very small and we cannot weigh it， 我们不能拿去称。So the mass just can be compared， 它的质量只能用来做比较。But temporarily you don't understand。我暂时你不明白什么叫比较出来的质量等于1，对不对 ？I will make you understand。And proton going to determine the physical properties of the atom。这个 proton 将会决定这里 atom 的 physical properties。But what is mean by physical properties？ 什么叫 physical properties？In Chinese, I don't know how to give。我不会它的华语了。你找字典，它讲现实的、实在的、具体的，对不对 ？Physical。But for me, when I teaching chemistry, physical 只有一个意思 ，physical 就是 non-chemical。So proton 将会决定这里 atom 不是化学特征的反应。Okay, so physical 就是 non-chemical， 不是化学特征的反应，不是化学特征的特征呢。Okay, by any example of the properties that we call physical properties， 有什么特征可以称为 physical properties 呢？不是化学的特征呢 ？Okay, for example, the mass of the atom， 这里 atom 的质量 ，the density of the atom， 这里 atom 的密度，明白了 ？melting point 它熔点、沸点 ，OK， 这种都不是化学反应的，都叫 physical properties. So this is what we call proton. So now what you do, you draw 13 proton at the center， 你画13粒的 proton 在中间，and you copy this， 你先抄这个。Pause the video， 慢慢画 ，and now you finish your drawing. Very good， 很好，你已经画完了，对不对？然后我们又再继续了，来。So eliminate atom. When you call atom must be neutral. Atom 永远不带电，它是 neutral 的。So the number of proton must be equal to the number of electrons. Aluminium having 13 proton, it must having another 13 electron. 它有13粒的 proton。就会有13粒的 electron 在里面，明白吗 ？But where is the electron? Not in the nucleus， 不在 nucleus 里面。Electron will be surrounding the nucleus with the orbit. Okay, but where is the electron? 13粒的 electron 在哪里呢 ？Okay, for the first electron shell， 第一层的 electron shell， it can hold 2 electron only， 它可以收2粒的 electron 罢了，2粒。Or why? Don't ask me. You ask God. 你问上帝。This is a law.For the first electron shell, it just can hold 2. 它只能收2粒罢了。And for the second layer, 第二层的 electron shell, it can hold 8粒。Okay? So 13 proton, it must be followed by 13 electrons. So the atom can be neutral. So 2.8， 对不对？ 2又8 10粒了。Another 3 will be on the third shell, third electron shell.另外的3粒 electron 就出现在第3层的 electron shell. But for the third electron shell, how many electrons you can hold? Normally will be 8 also. 通常都是8粒，明白吗 ？Okay, so these are the electron arrangement. 这就是它的 electron 的排法。Okay, but what is electron? 什么叫 electron? 听我讲完了才抄啊。那。Electron actually is a subatomic particle that carry the electrical charge and the charge is negative one. 它的 charge 呢就是减1。And the relative mass of the electron is 1 per 1840. 什么意思呢 ？Electron 比较出来的质量就是1 per 1840， 就是1840分之1。But what is the meaning? 比较出来的质量 ？Not understand. I give you the idea, but this idea is not 100% correct. 我这是给你明白罢了。什么叫比较的质量？看爽了。One proton, the mass actually equal to 1 neutron. So 一粒 proton 的质量其实就是等于一粒 neutron 的质量。The mass same， 所以它们平均。But one proton, if you want to balance it by using the electron, you need 1840 electrons. 一粒 proton 需要1840粒的 electron 呢才能平均。 So electron having the mass, electron 的质量就是 proton 的1840分之一罢了 ，understand？ So 这种就是做比较出来的质量。electron 的质量只有 proton 的1840分之一罢了，所以这种就是比较的意思了。OK 啊 ，another meaning, the mass of the electron actually is very small， 很小，就是 proton 的1840分之一罢了。OK。An electron going to determine the chemical properties of the atoms. Okay, electron 将会决定这一粒 atom 的 chemical properties. 什么叫 chemical properties? 化学反应。这粒 atom 会不会起火爆炸？会不会跟别人起化学反应？就看 electron 罢了。proton 不能决定化学反应 ，proton 只决定不是化学特征的一些特征。Understand? So this is electrons. Okay.Understand? Back. 我们再看回这个 diagram. Okay. Aluminium having another number. 它有另外一个 number 27, 27号. So what's the meaning of this number? You copy first. 27 we call nucleon number. 这个27号就叫 nucleon number. 也叫 atomic mass, 也就是 atom 的质量。atom 的质量。Okay.Or equal to the number of proton plus the number of neutron， 也等于 proton 加 neutron 的数量。The number of proton plus the number of neutrons。OK， 什么意思？来 ，proton 13粒加 neutron 变成27。So neutron how many neutron in this nucleus？ 14啊。So from this number， 从这个27号我们就看到什么东西呢 ？The number of neutron。14 plus 13 become 27 So 这个27就叫 nucleon number， 也叫 atomic mass, atom 的质量。OK， So now we look at the diagram again， 我们又来看图片。Okay, so neutron, where's the neutrons? How many neutrons? Proton plus neutron become nucleon number， 对不对 ？So nucleon number 27, proton 13, neutron must be 14 So 你自己画这种青色的14粒，1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、14。Okay. What's mean by neutron? 什么叫 neutron? Neutron actually is a subatomic particle that is no charge. It is neutral.And the relative mass is equal to 1 or another meaning same as proton. 它的质量其实跟 proton 一模一样，一对一。And neutron determine the physical properties of this atom. 它会决定这粒 atom 不是化学特征的特征。Or another meaning same as proton. 它跟 proton 一模一样啦，它不会影响这粒 atom 的化学反应。It's going to determine the mass 啦、质量啦、melting point, boiling point, density, freezing point 这些不是化学特征的特征，就是 proton 跟 neutron 一起决定的。OK。And 27刚才的27号 also mean the atomic mass, atom 的质量。Okay, so where is the mass come from? 13 plus 14, 27 But normally something very funny. When I finish a class, some student going to walk in front to the classroom. Okay, 他会走来课室的前面，然后他就会老师啊，这里 aluminium 的质量啊13粒 proton plus 14 neutron 27，不过它有13粒的 electron。Or 13 electron will be 13 per 1840， 对不对 ？So the total mass 它总共的质量应该是27又1840分之13 ，is it？ 是不是这样子 ？Yes, yes, but you are wrong， 你错了。Why？ 很简单 ，When we calculate the mass of the atom， 当我们算 atom 的质量的时候 ，electrons is not included inside electron。不要把它算在里面 ，we just stack in， 我们只是把 proton neutron 算进去吧 ？Why? Because the mass of the electron is too small， 太小，不需要把它带进来，明白吗？当你有100万的时候，一角钱叫它掉在地上，你要拾起来吗？不需要，明白吗 ？OK， so the answer is 27 atom 的质量，不要给薄的把 electron 带进来，带进来给你0分不啦 ？Understand？Okay, so this is our atomic model, 现代的 atomic model. Okay? Understand? And now add something on your notes， 加一点东西在你的 notes 那边，一句很重要的话。OK here maybe here 啊，抄在这边啊，写美美，要不然就这边也可以。来，应该是这边了，这个格子来 copy。抄什么东西呢？那这一句话 ，proton, electron and neutron they are subatomic particle。这三粒东西 ，proton, neutron, electron。They are subatomic particle. What is mean by subatomic particle？ 就是 atom 里面的 particle。atom 本身是 particle， 不过这个 particle 里面还有 particle， 所以叫做 subatomic particle。Copy yes， good， 厉害厉害。OK。Any problem? No problem. Yes.Now we have a try. 我们来试试看，你会画 atom 吗 ？With the lesson just now, can you draw the atom? 你能不能画出那些 atom? Okay. So now go to your notes， 去你的 notes 的下面 here， 要不然就上面这边。Okay, you copy this， 你抄这个东西下来。And after you copy, you just draw the atom of the lithiums， 你就把 lithium 的 atom 呢画出来看一下。Lithium atom， 请把它画出来。Start now， 开始了。How to draw？ 怎样画？OK， 画在旁边呢。Lithium atom nucleus 有一粒，旁边有 electron， 好了没有？这个 answer。OK，the standard drawing for the lithium maybe look like this。OK， 你看啊，那。Lithium atom, okay. Certain school they like to write here lithium Li. This is a nucleus of the lithium. 这就是 lithium 的 nucleus with 3 proton, 4 neutrons， 对不对 ？I know. You look at this. 那3粒的 proton， 4粒的 neutron， 所以总共7粒嘛。So must label 一定啊，在考试你一定要 label 多少粒 proton， 多少粒 neutron。Okay。And 3 proton must be followed by 3 electrons. So for the first electron shell, it can hold 2. 它可以收2粒。Second electron shell, it can hold another 1 1粒。So 2.1 呢，它的 electron 的排法就是 2.1， 明白吗 ？Okay. So this is a lithium atom. This is one of the method to draw lithium 呢，其中一个画 lithium 的最普通的方法。Okay. Next， 下一个。Or maybe you're going to draw the proton and neutron at the center. 你可能把3粒的 proton 跟4粒的 neutron 画在中间，对不对 ？But remember, after you draw, you have to label 啦，它是 proton， 它是 neutron， 也没有错，明白吗 ？OK， 可以画在这边。But when the atomic number is big， 好像 at the minimum 27粒的时候 ，you have to draw 27. So the method will be not suitable anymore， 就不适合了。So that's why 还是用这種老方法比較好。Okay, but before I go further, I still want to tell you, atom actually having the electron shell, but the electron orbit 呢，它的 shell 它的轨道其实 they are not in the same axis， 它不是每一粒都这样的啊，它这样，so it should be look like this。它真正的时候应该是这样子画的，看起来是应该这样子的。不过我们不可以在考试这样子画，我们的答案都是这样子的，独立的，用叫 3D， 就独立的 ，OK。扁扁的 set OK 搞定，拜拜 ，see you in another video， 拜拜。